waiting forevermore.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great day, night, or evening whenever you are watching this right now. In today's video, we're going to be installing a new idler arm and idler arm bracket to my 03 Chevy Silverado 1500 HD right here. The reason for it is because my truck, when I bought it 3 years ago now, I had rebuilt the front suspension, upper control arms, inner and outer tie rod ends, and the one thing I didn't replace was my idler arm, which, for those of you who don't know, is part of your steering system when you have the more old school drag link style steering system as opposed to the modern day rack and pinion. So I didn't change that out because at the time it wasn't worn out. Well, as time goes on and us adults, we procrastinate. My truck has developed quite a bit of camber wear. That tire is not too bad. This one, pretty bad. You can tell if you stand and look at that one, and that one's actually pretty bad. So with that being said, I took it to get an alignment a few weeks ago, and the gentleman, I'm not gonna point names or tell which shop it was, but I am fairly disappointed. For those of you who don't know, I am a mechanic, so I do this for a living. If I had access to an alignment machine, I would do my alignment myself, but where I work, we don't do our own alignments at that shop. So I have to take this to a place. I took it to a place, I thought they were just gonna align it, but then the guy came back and said, oh, you're gonna need new ball joints, new tire rod ends, all this stuff that had already been replaced. Got it home, jacked it up. None of that needs replacing except for the idler. He was right on that, so I'm gonna be replacing it. This is my new one right here. This actually came in the Detroit axle kit that I purchased several years ago when I rebuilt the entire suspension. And then this is gonna be our bracket from AC Delco. Haven't even opened it, got it off Amazon the other day, along with a puller set that we're also going to be using to help take it apart. It shouldn't be too difficult, and I know there's lots of how-to videos out there on how to do this. I thought I might just give you guys my interpretation of it, and also just bring you along for the vlog. This is what we're here for, is to work on cars and trucks, and mainly my good old Silverado. I love this thing. So without further ado, let's get to work. I never figure out how to start the parts. I really wish we could meet Kevin and Brittany. Also just because they're really cool. But also just so you know, hey, how do you like start your conversation with your camera? Anyway, got the idler arm done, greased all my fittings. There's figuratively no excess play on my steering anymore, which there used to be a huge amount. I pulled the driver's side tire off right now to install these alignment guide pins that the so nice gentleman at that shop that shall be remain nameless last time told me that, oh yeah, those little pins hold your alignment. They don't. They're just guide pins, but I'm putting them in so at the shop tomorrow, hopefully it can do it. These are what they look like. I thought I had the bag, but obviously I didn't. The guy was pretty cool. He did give me these instead of telling me, all right, these are what you need, but go buy some. So I'm installing what he gave me. I'll put a link to the part number on these. I'll enter it and find where you can buy them. I'll put them in the link into the description in case anyone is interested or needs them. So, but this side's good. I'm gonna go ahead and put this tire back on now and then go ahead and take care of the other side. I might adjust the torsion keys just a little bit before getting in the line tomorrow to give me just a little bit more of a lift, because these are currently 31s and I want to go back up to 33s after the alignment. But also a very good indication of why you don't let your tires remain cambered on your truck is because I don't know how much longer I'll have on this tire because of how bad that is cambered. That is really bad. Not only is it cambered, but it's cupped. And it's also probably a difference from this side is maybe 8 30-seconds and this side might be 5 or 4. It's pretty bad. So hopefully I don't need to buy new tires anytime soon because I can't afford BFGs and I'm still not sure about the Milestar Patagonias, but one step at a time. So. Wow, those do not go in very easy. Yeah, those little alignment, like the alignment pin guide aligners, I don't know what the heck we're gonna call them. But yeah, the little pins, those little pins in there, as you can see. Yeah, they're pretty difficult to get in since there's no way for you to hit it. I ended up having to use a large pry bar and basically pry against the truck frame in order to get it to slide in. Not fun. GM, I love your trucks, but this was not a good idea. Not a good design, but it's okay. We're fixed on this side. The other side I'm gonna go back and actually double check. So, what was I gonna say? Forgot. I think that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. This one was basically just getting the truck ready for its alignment that it's been needing for quite a while. So like I said, we replaced the idler arm. We greased everything up and hopefully it's going out for alignment tomorrow. Yeah, I think this is gonna be it. Like I said in the last video, I said that the next video was supposed to be the interior stuff, but these tires are getting pretty bad, so I needed to take care of them. So yeah, so next video we'll come back. We'll go ahead and knock out installing those parts up there and some other stuff that I want to talk about. Basically just the interiors of these trucks to make them nice, kind of spruce them up. You know, it is an 03, so let's clean it up and make it a little better. So I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. I know sometimes I'm cringy, sometimes I'm goofy, sometimes I don't know what the hell I'm saying, but you know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Comment down below if you have any questions about how to do any of the work on these trucks. I've done a lot of work to them, so I hope that I can answer them for you. And if not, stay tuned and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Have a good one.